I-asset lease finance, i-product yaka-IDCE, le provider a solution to businesses that require productive equipment and machinery in order to make a profit. This product is suitable for both startups and existing businesses that use equipment, machinery, and specialized assets to deliver their products and services. Le hlangothi lokuthi bobani-ke labanga procurisha this product ya IDCE. It's all the economic sectors akangwane that require income generating assets to push them profits up, including your agricultural machinery and equipment, your medical and laboratory equipment and instruments, your construction and heavy duty equipment, your commercial vehicles and transport fleet. The list is endless.